climbing up the water spout. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout.
Uh-oh, here comes Cloudy with some rain. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Oh no, Sammy! Are you okay?
I'm okay, just a little wet.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Let's help you dry off, Sammy. Here, I'll fan you.
All dry now. Time to try climbing again. You can do it, Sammy!
And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. You can do it! Keep going, Sammy! You're almost at the top! You're doing great, Sammy! You're almost there! Sammy took a deep breath and kept on climbing, one leg at a time.
Almost there, Sammy! Woohoo! You're almost at the top!
He made it! Sammy reached the very top of the water spout.
Yay, Sammy! You did it!
We knew you could. Sammy climbed back down to celebrate with his friends.
Let's celebrate with a happy dance! You never gave up, Sammy! Thanks for believing in me today, Splash. That means a lot.
Remember, friends, if you fall down, you can always climb back up.
Never give up!
The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Let's sing it one more time, everybody! Thanks for climbing with us today. Tell us in the comments what you never give up on. Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new adventure every week. See you next time, friends!